Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to another video. In today's video, we're going to be reviewing another second-hand car which is available for a fantastic price. Like guys, I'm not even joking. The price is bloody amazing. We have a BMW 523i with us, and guys, this is not your ordinary BMW. This BMW has two more cylinders. This is not your regular 2-liter 4-cylinder engine, guys. This is a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Yes, an inline 6-cylinder engine. It's a petrol engine and it's a super powerful engine, guys. We're going to be talking about the fact that this car has so much of power. We're going to take you out to the interiors, the exteriors, even give you a drive quality of this car. And finally, guys, y'all can get the best deal by using the TMG name at Sarfaraz Motors. Also, guys, y'all can follow our channel for more automobile related content. We make automobile reviews, news on brand new cars, on second-hand cars. We also have a lot of technical talks that we have made videos on in the past. We have a ton of automobile related content. So if you guys are stumbling on this video for the first time, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and at the end of the video, if you like this video, make sure to hit that like button. Anyway, let's get started. Guys, this video is sponsored by Motofix. Guys, Motofix is India's fastest growing network of new age car repair workshops that believes in a complete transparent relationship with its customer, a hassle-free and transparent relationship with its customers. With over 100 workshops scattered all across the country in 5 major cities, and with over 1.5 lakh happy customers, we are the best when it comes to automobile repair work and service work on your car, and especially when it comes to second-hand cars. And hence, we are happy to introduce to you all Motofix Advantage. Are you looking to buy a used car? When you purchase these cars with Motofix Advantage, you get a 1-year unconditional warranty on the car, and you will get the best price on this car. You also get your maintenance and repair work of this car taken care of, and also we assure you the best buyback on the car as well. Also guys, before we head back to the video, I'd like to request you all to support the organizations that support the TMG family, because that will not only help us grow, but will also help our sponsors grow to contribute in a healthy way to the automobile industry. So guys, the most important thing about this car is what's under the hood. Like I mentioned earlier, this is a inline 6-cylinder. Yes guys, it's an inline 6-cylinder petrol engine, a 3-liter petrol engine that produces 190 brake horsepower and 300 Newton meters of torque. 300 guys, that's a crazy amount, and when you put your foot down, you're gonna feel that boost of power, because this car is just amazing. We're gonna drive it later and show you how it feels as well. Now guys, the most interesting part about this BMW is the fact that these angel eyes with this turn indicator light, which is the tube LED light, is so beautiful, and it was a one-off generation that only came. You see the present generation BMW all look alike, and the one that was the predecessor to this also look completely different, but this had a unique look with the kidney shaped grills and the angel eyes. This is just phenomenal. This is one of the best looking BMWs in many people's opinion. And also the fact that this particular car has something known as the welcome feature, where once you press the unlock button on your car will greet you, the angel lights will come on, and this particular, the inner angel light will come on to light up the path for you to come to the car. That's another feature that was available on this generation. Now this particular BMW came with these super unique rims. You don't see these rims on the present generation BMW, and these are 17-inch rims. They're 225 50 are 17-inch rims, and they look super spectacular, and they completely contrast and go extremely well with the overall look of this particular BMW. Guys, if we pull back and we see, this entire car just has a presence that's completely different from the present generation BMW that you see, and that's because even at the back we see these tail lights which are so well integrated, these LED tubes which you will find only on this particular car, and that is why what makes this car so special. It has a look that is completely different from all the 5 Series that you would see otherwise. Now guys, coming to the interiors of this car is beautiful from inside. Like, there's nothing wrong with the car. The leather seems really good. We have leather trim on the door, we have leather, I'm wrapped in leather, we have a leather center console, and the dash also looks beautiful with this wooden finish. Guys, this car is kept in very good condition by the previous one owner of this car, and guys, this car comes with a 6-speed automatic gearbox. The gearbox can go into manual with the Triptonics, and you can take full control of the potential that 190 brake horsepower engine can give you. The 6-cylinder engine is so powerful, and all of that power goes all the way back to the rear wheel. This is a rear wheel drive car, guys, and that means only one thing: this car can drift. This car can do some crazy drifting, and that's what makes this car special as compared to all the other cars for this price, for this segment. And guys, wait till the end, because the price of this car is mind-blowing. When you hear the price, it is so cheap. It's at a very good price here, and you'll get the best deal if you use the Motoring Gossip channel name. So guys, first of all, what I like to highlight is that the fact that Doug DeMuro has actually classified this particular BMW as one of the coolest sports sedans. Well, when he said that, he was referring to the M5, But however, this car has a V6 engine, that M5 has a V10 engine. I know that's a lot more cylinders, but nonetheless it is the same sedan that we are talking about. Another cool feature is that when we have our particular trays to hold the drinks, we see one that comes all the way to the driver's side. We have one for the passenger side, which is, well, pretty cool, but this comes all the way to the driver's side, but it does not interfere with your driver console. That is another cool feature. Another cool thing, guys, what I found in this car is that if you look at the climate control, you see a lot of cool features out here. For example, you can go in and check the amount of bars that you want that will come on the ventilator from front, and it has a dual climate control. Well, dual climate control isn't something that we heard of. It's not something new. This is something that has been there for quite some time. But the fact that you can alter the amount of bars from the AC vents that are coming in from front at your feet is all controlled through this iDrive, and it's a pretty cool feature in my opinion. So guys, another quirky feature in this car is that, you know how you have in your big SUVs the mirrors turning down when you go into reverse, and back in 2007 for a car to have that kind of a feature was a big deal, and I'm going to show you how. You see this little button out here, we just switch it to the right, and now that it's switched on to the right, when we go into reverse, what's going to happen is that the passenger side ORVM is going to shift down. So I'm going to go into reverse, and there you go, it's tilting down, so that you can now look at what is down and not hit anything when you're reversing, and reverse comfortably into your parking spot. Another cool feature is that here in the infotainment system, we see the bars highlighting as soon as we start parking the car. Although it does not have a reverse camera, but it has parking sensors all around the car, wrapped around the car, to make sure that you do not scratch this car when you're parking. So guys, this car has driven 96,000 kilometers only. It is less than a lakh kilometers, and it is in a very good condition, no doubt about that, because we're going to take it for a small drive as well. And this car has had only one previous owner. Other cool features that this car has is that the passenger side and the driver's side seats are electronically adjustable. Even your steering wheel is electronically adjustable with tilt and telescopic adjustable, and this all is available for less than 5 lakhs. Guys, wait till the end, we're going to tell you the price. Don't get hasty. This car is available for such a sweet price. You don't even get entry-level cars for this price. That is the best part. Another safety feature about this car is that this car has wrapped around airbags. That means it has curtain airbags all around. That means your family is going to be protected at all times when you're driving. But to make sure that the airbags work, guys, this is a standard in all cars. Make sure a seatbelt is worn. Only then will the airbags deploy if you have a crash. Now guys, at the back there is ample amount of legroom. Like, I am 6 feet, and just look at the amount of legroom that's there, and the driver's seat is set to my settings, so there's a lot of legroom. And we have, I'm going to show you this super cool armrest that's out here, a massive armrest, and if you press this button, you'll get cup holders hidden inside. Everything is really well integrated in this car. We get another storage out here as well, and if you shut this, the third person sitting in the center is not even going to realize that he's actually sitting on cup holders which are retractable. Now guys, let's go for a drive. Now guys, talking about the drive is extremely sublime. I'm putting my foot down right now, and you can see that the car is just smooth, is gliding. And a car that was made in 2007, this car just feels really good. I'm not even pushing the car right now, and it's just smooth in drive. I can go into Triptonics and get a completely engaging feeling from the gearbox. Another thing about this car is, guys, the steering wheel. The steering wheel feels extremely light. Now that's a really cool feature because it's actually handling a lot of more power and a very heavy car. And you can see I can handle the steering wheel with just 2 fingers. It's extremely smooth. And now I'm going to go into the Triptonic mode, go into first. This car revs all the way up to 6,500 RPM, and it just pushes you back inside the seat, and for good reason. 300 Newton meters of torque, guys, from a petrol engine just means full power, full send. I'm still in Triptonic. The brakes feel really good. For the price, this car, guys, I cannot stress enough, just feels amazing. Next level. It's completely engaging. The only thing, in my opinion, that's missing out on this car is the fact that this car doesn't have paddle shifters. But setting that aside, you can take full control from the gearbox. I am right now in first, and you can feel that power pushing you all the way back into the rear seats. And the brakes, well, is another story. you just feel so comfortable driving this car. You don't feel any plasticky feeling or any particular rattling from the car, because this car has aged so well. The previous owner has taken such good care of this car and has driven this car only 98,000 kilometers. That means the car has been driven and not just kept at home. And at the same time, the car has been well maintained by the previous owner. So guys, another cool feature that this car comes with is that the front of this car, that means the front fender and the front hood of this car, is made of aluminium, and the rest of the car is made of metal. Now the reason this is done is for a very cool reason. The engine is heavy, right? So to make the weight distribution of the car perfect and to make this driving quality, as BMW would say, sheer driving pleasure, the weight distribution of the car has been maintained in that aspect. I have a magnet, a fridge magnet lying at home, and just check this out. It sticks out here because this is metal, but as soon as I put it on the front fender, it does not stick. Put on the hood, it does not stick. That's because this part and this part, the fender, the front fender and the hood, is made of aluminium, whereas the rest of the car is made of metal. And this is not only for the fender and the outer body part, but the inside parts are also made of aluminium, and that is done because the heavier engine is at the front, so you have lighter aluminium metal covering the car, and at the back you have the heavier metal of the car, which actually maintains the entire weight distribution of the car in a manner to give you the best driving pleasure. How BMW calls it, sheer driving pleasure. That's exactly what this car is all about. So guys, coming to the most important part of the video, the price and the TMG score. What score do we give this car? Now guys, after driving this car, having got the feel of this car, how it feels from interior, what engine this car has, taking all those points into consideration, this car gets a 7.5 on 10 TMG score from our end. With the team thinks that this car 7.5 is really deserved. And coming to the price, now guys, bear in mind that this car brand new costs 41 lakhs. Now it is available here at just 4.5 lakhs. Guys, that's less than 5 lakhs. 4.5, you don't get a hatchback for that kind of a price. It's an amazing price right now for a 6-cylinder engine, a 3-liter 6-cylinder engine. Guys, a person who really wants to focus on performance, this is the car for you all. Come check it out here and make sure you mention the channel's name. You'll get the best deal. Hope to see you in the next video. Till then, happy motoring, stay safe. Cheers.